This is a Stroke 383. Came right from the factory, so it's a high performance GM motor that I put in this truck. It's got brand new AC. Like I said, everything under this hood is completely immaculate and back where it should be back in the day. I mean, a little more, performance, but it runs and drives 80 miles down the freeway without any problems at all. It's just a beautiful, beautiful example. This truck is riding on 22s, American Racing. It's a one-piece forged wheel. The rear is a two-piece forged wheel. They're custom made. Took me 8 weeks to have them built. Over $6,000 in wheels and tires alone I put on it. Also the Wildwood brakes, four-wheel disc brakes all in all four corners, all brand new. I put them on myself. Fuel exhaust all the way out. Painted. What's really nice about this truck is that when they did it, they took it off the frame. And they took it off the frame, they did all the paint underneath this match. It's got 373 gears in the back, which is good cruising overdrive gears. This truck effortlessly goes down the road 70, 80 miles an hour, not even thinking about it, with the AC blowing ice cold, never overheats. I wish I could keep them all, because cars are cool.